the real potential of engineering, applying engineering is possible with this IoT. So that's most important stuff. And also, if you see that, is that it's a kind of a golden era. That's I would say. A lot of people are talking about losing jobs and all this. I don't see that because the manufacturing industry as such has got a lot of potential to offer. To just to be, give a simple synonym is that, see a manufacturing company becoming a software company. You may be thinking, am I joking? I'm not joking, because the vision statement of GE is that, GE says that my ex-company is GE. GE says that it wants to become a top 10 software company in the world. GE is always known for its industrial asserts and the efficiency and engineering prowess actually, but it wants to become a kind of a software company. So there is a lot of potential opportunities there, and the other thing is also is that you can put to use a lot of things which you have studied in your engineering, in your BTechs, right? Be it a mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, everything can be put to use. IoT by definition is nothing but OT plus IT. If somebody asks you what is IoT, operational technology plus IT. So then coming to a point of industry as such, right? The industries are really going to use the software. Sorry to say this, because I've been a kind of a CRM expert and ERP expert, is always outside the core competency. Any industry applied information technology, only in terms of planning, budgeting, financing and all this, this is the first time they're putting the IT to the real use, to the operational efficiency, right? So there is a golden era that is available, nothing to be panic about AI and all this, it's going to be good, because the same thing that happened in 2000, when we talked about Y2K, everybody said all the doomsday is coming, all these computers will shut down, we'll not be using computers, let's go back and do some government job. I'm not against a government job, but things change. So there is a lot of revolution that is coming, especially the fourth industrial revolution. So everyone has an opportunity. So that's my final words. Thank you.
Yeah, very well said. The IT and the OT concept really defines IoT, and that's a nice learning we have today. And again, from Sunil, we learned that, think big but start small. I would just like to conclude with one simple statement here, that when you try to adopt IoT, think of your basic need. Don't go with what the internet says. For example, if you are coming from a Western country, the needs are more from the perspective of saving on human resources. Then IoT is more of robotics, more of automating and all that stuff. But when you talk about countries like India and China, human resources are available in abundance. IoT is going to backfire when you're trying to save on the resources, because there is going to be an impact on employment. In such cases, you think of improving the productivity as the primary goal, reducing the downtimes of the machines. So figure out what your pain point is, and then try to bring or build your IoT solution on top of it, is what I would like to say. If we have some time, can we have a couple of questions?
Yes, we can go for 2 to 3 questions.
Sure. So we are open for questions.
Is there anyone who wants to ask something? They can raise their hand. Anyone?
Absolutely agree.
Absolutely. Yeah. This is...
Yeah. So